What's good, and good morning from Canada. Hope you're doing well, guys. So we're going to go over our friend Polygonians, unite. On the day, we're sitting up about 1%. Sorry, we're down about 2% on the 7-day. We're down 22%. So I'm going to show you guys what I'm seeing here on the chart. So we're sitting at $11.27 billion market cap, and the 24-hour volume is 1.72 billion. So as always, we're going to go over the chart for Matic and for Ethereum. So if you get any value, please smash that like button, subscribe, turn on notifications if you're new. So as I've been talking about with the Elliott wave theory, there is the chance that we come down to about $1.49 in my opinion. Strong level of support in many areas. However, we are forming a bullish pennant here on the daily. Just going to draw it out for you guys. So if we were to break out of this one to the upside, this would be your flagpole, guys, and that would be an absolutely massive, juicy gain all the way up here. If we break out, oh, just a moment, guys. Just have to put my scale back onto auto, otherwise my flag will start doing funky things. That'd be a huge, massive, juicy breakout here. If we were to break out of this bullish pennant here on the daily. And that would bring us up to about $3.17. So that would be gorgeous. We'd love to see that. We are holding the 20 EMA here on the daily. However, if you do see that rollover, guys, I do think we'll find that super strong level of support here at about $1.49. So let's pop over into the 4-hour chart here. So we've broken out of our triangle pattern, and you can see we've trended a little bit downwards, and we're back underneath the EMAs. So I'm going to take this triangle out here, and I'm going to open it up. So you can see here we've come underneath the 20 EMA, and we're starting to hit it as resistance. And we're trying to hold the 55 here. So if we do roll, we do have this level of support here where you can see support in this area, support and resistance in this area too, at about $1.68. Now we could also have a little bullish pennant here as well. Remember, guys, it's just my opinion. It's not financial advice. I'm not your financial advisor. I'm just a young guy from Canada. And then this would be your flagpole that would bring us up. If we were to break out to the upside here, we'd have a nice juicy gain up to that price target that we've been talking about here at about $2.23. All right, guys. And then if we were to roll out of it, we do have this $1.68 here on the 4-hour chart. So let's put it onto the 1 hour. So we're here on the 1-hour chart, and you can see we're a little bit under the EMAs here, and we're starting to hit them as resistance. And we did kind of come out of our, let me move this up. I don't like when my lines go through the candles, but I guess this is the hourly. So and we have come underneath, guys. So if you see us start to break down out of our bull pennant here, expect to find that support here. We're still kind of deciding what we want to do here with Matic. Now we have hit support quite a few times in this area. I'll drop a line in. You can see here support about $1.76, $1.75. Support here as well. Support. So that's a level of support that we might also hold. But if we do break that, I do see us coming down to that $1.68 and possibly that $1.49 to see the Elliott wave theory play out, where you have wave 1 and then you have corrective wave 2 here for Matic. So it's kind of, a little bit boring right now while we wait to see what it decides to do. But I still want to update you guys with what I'm seeing here with the chart. And that bull pennant that I showed you guys on the daily, I'll show it to you guys here as well. I know there's a lot of lines on my charts, but here you go. You can see it here as well. So here's your really long flagpole. So if you do see us come down, even if we were to come down to $1.68 or towards $1.50, possibly find support in this area at about $1.58, and then we bounce, could be a sign that we're going to see that breakout for that bullish pennant. All right, guys. So a few different patterns that I just want to bring to your guys' attention. Of course, you have to wait for that confirmation. You have to wait for it to break above out of the pennant or to break underneath to show you guys where the price is going to go. And right now we're still sitting in our pennant here, so we're just kind of deciding what we want to do here with Matic. Now I do have those future price targets that I've drawn out for you guys that I always like to remind you, just to give you something to smile about here. So if we do see that breakout here, I think I put it back onto log scale. The thing about log scale is when you move, see how this line goes up and down? That's no good. If anyone knows how to fix that on log scale where that won't happen, please let me know, because I always have to switch it from log to auto just to get this line to properly form, and then kind of put it back onto log here. So if you know how to fix that, I'd really appreciate it. So if we do see that breakout from our bull pennant here, we have that $3.12. And if we do see that Elliott wave theory play out, we would have our third wave that could bring us up to price targets about 385, possibly 456, or up here at about 589, guys. And then we come back, we have our corrective wave, and hopefully we start heading towards that $10 price target that everyone keeps writing in the comments. Polygon to $10. I would love to see it, guys. So let's quickly look at Ethereum here. So we're here on the daily, and I've drawn a trend line here that we haven't broken. You see here, support, 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 support. 4 times we've hit that. So if we were to roll over, guys, most likely we would find support, if not at 24.58. Just gonna move this down, 24.45, 25.87. We do have this trend line of support. We are hitting the EMAs a little bit here, but I'm going to jump into the 4-hour time frame here for Ethereum. So we're here on the 4-hour time frame, and I've drawn out this triangle here from the previous video, and we're starting to squeeze out of it. We're hitting a little bit of resistance here. You see a bunch of resistance here at about our current price, 27.19, 26.91. But if you were to see us have a bit of a breakout, a bit of confirmation here, back test it as support, and especially take out this high at 29.19, that would be beautiful, guys. That's exactly what we want to see. You can see we're holding the 20 EMA, and I'm just going to open this up. We're about to have the bullish cross of the, oh lordy lord, come on Josh, get it together. Absolutely embarrassing. We're having the bullish cross of the 20 over the 55. That's what we want to see, guys, is we get the 20 over the 55, and we break out of this triangle here, and we start trending back upwards. Now I'll always show you guys your levels of support. If we were to create a double top, you have your top, you'd have your second top. If we were to break out of that, we do have support here at 25.87, and then down here at 24.15. If we form a double top here and we break down, if we break this neckline here, then you could see a little bit of a correction down to about 24.15, a little bit lower possibly, but hopefully that word hopefully we see this our breakout here, and we may roll over and then bounce again off the line of support and then break out. That's what we want to see, guys. Of course, I just want to give you guys both scenarios as always, as I think that's really important. But things are looking bullish. I'm seeing a lot of recovery patterns, a lot of bullish formations with a lot of coins. So if we were to break out of this resistance, would be a beautiful sign of continuation. We would have a huge level of resistance here, in my opinion, in between about 35.91 for Ethereum and 33.58. You see all the support and resistance in this area. I think that would be a really key level to break through here. So keep an eye on this triangle. Keep an eye and see if we break out, or if we roll over here, make sure we don't break this neckline. Or if we do, I mean, you could look at a short trade for Ethereum here if we create that double top and we break that neckline. But we're about to see the bullish cross, and we haven't seen the bullish cross. The bearish cross was back in May 21st. So to see the bullish cross again, it's a great signal, in my opinion. And hopefully we see that reversal and we continue along on this bull run, as we all would love to see. All right, guys, so that's it for Polygon, Matic, Ethereum. If you got any value, please smash that like button. Subscribe goes a long way. Just gonna drink some water, guys. H2O. And you can follow me on Instagram, Twitter. You can join the Discord, Patreon, link in the bio. Over 1,000 members. Hope you're well. Hope you're having a glorious day despite the weather. If it's raining and you're like, I don't want to go out today, just grab an umbrella. Everything's going to be okay. All right, guys. See you in the next one. Peace. Much love.